Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here to share my August kit plans with you. For August, there are 5 weeks that are majority in the month, so I'm going to go through all 5 of those weeks. So first off is July 29th through August 4th. This is one of those weeks that the Olympics will be happening, so I thought it would be fun to use a bright, cheerful kit for that week. And then we'll see how it goes. I do have a couple of leftovers from Itty Bitty Sticker Co. that are Olympics themed, so I might pull some of those in. We'll have to see. But for this week, I'm using this kit from Planner One Love. It's actually the 4th of July kit, but I thought with these colors, it was really fun and summery for a lot of times. And if I remove these couple of city focused boxes, the rest really could be applied to anywhere. And I really only need 8 boxes anyway. So I thought that this would work out. I just printed this first page. So there's some stuff that goes on the extra page, but I think that this will be enough that I can use this stuff plus some things from my stash to be able to pull together a weekly kit. And I think that'll be really fun. The next week is August 5th through the 11th. And for this week, we're actually traveling down to Florida. We are going to fly to Orlando. We're predominantly spending time on the Space Coast though. And so for the part of that week that we're traveling, it felt like I should just make the whole kit be that theme. So I do have this set of full boxes from B&R Paper Crafts called Happy Place, so very Disney themed. And I thought with the couple of stuff from Epcot and things like that, I thought it still kind of fit with the Space Coast theme a little bit as well. And so I'm going to use this set of full boxes. To go along with it, I do have leftovers of this Sweet Kawaii Design by Craftsmith weekly sticker kit. I have no idea what this one is called. It's very old at this point, but it has hollow foil and kind of like rainbow designs and snacks. We very much travel on our stomachs, so I thought that this kit would really go. Plus there's all the stars and things like that, so I thought that would also go with the Space Coast theme. So my plan is to use these in conjunction together for that week. The third of the weeks is August 12th through the 18th. And so for that week, I didn't really have anything specific I had planned, but I do really enjoy using these sticker books from time to time. And I thought rainbow would be fun for the kind of end of summer. I figure August is my last month. I'm really putting summer kits in my planner. So this is a really old Happy Planner Mega Value Pack. This is a rainbow themed. I don't think this specific one is still available, but it kind of goes from pink through red, orange, yellow, and then into these kind of like mint and lime greens. And then from there into some darker blue and teal. And then from there into a set of pinks and purples. So I think using this, I'll be able to make up a full week kind of going across the rainbow as we go. So hopefully that will be successful. We'll see how that turns out. The 4th week is August 19th through the 25th. So I thought this would be perfect to use a like very summery kit. This is from Pretty Planner Printables on Pinterest. It's called Summertime and it has all these fun patterns, which I thought would be really perfect to use for this week. I'll probably end up trimming a couple of the pattern boxes to be able to make headers since I don't need all of them. And I think it's gonna turn out really cute and fun. And I just thought this would really be a bright, fun kit to be able to use for August. And then lastly, we have August 26th through September 1st. So that weekend includes Labor Day weekend here in the US. It doesn't include Labor Day, that's on Monday, but I thought it would be good to use a patriotic kit since most of the Labor Day weekend will fall under this particular week. And so this kit is from Vintage Glam Studio. It's called Patriotic Ice Cream Pops, and it has all these little popsicles in fun patriotic colors, as it sounds like. And so I thought this would be a really fun one to use, and it's really fast to be able to put together a spread, and I thought it would turn out really well. So I'm excited to use that kit. So that covers the 5 weeks of August. Kind of crazy there's gonna be 5 weeks in 1 month. We don't have that very often. But this kind of covers everything that we're going to use here. There will be weekly spreads, weekly plan with me's for all of these kits, so you'll get to see how they actually turn out. But that is all I have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know which of these kits you're most excited to see me use, or alternatively, which kit for August you're most excited to use. And if you don't have anything that you want to leave me some sort of, I guess, firework emoji, just to say hi. I'd love to hear from you. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You'll be able to see the in progress and finished spreads using all of these kits, as well as bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.